Hello, Jenny. Okay, so today we're gonna talk about animals. Are you ready? Okay, very good. Giraffe. Where is giraffe? Now you say giraffe. 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 Jenny, focus. How many giraffe? How many?
1, 2, 3,
4.
4.
Show me 4 fingers. 4. 4. Okay. Do you like a giraffe?
Yeah, I
Okay, very good. Next one. Lion. Where's lion? Lion. What is this?
do.
Lion.
1,
Ah, yes. 1, 2. Again. 1.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4. Yes. Do you like a lion, Jenny?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Where is the goat? Goat. 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 Yes, very good. What it is?
1,
Goat.
2,
No. Don't suck your finger. No. Okay. Goat. 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 Do you like a goat? Yes or no?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Where is leopard? Leopard. Leopard. What is this?
River.
It's a leopard.
River.
Now don't suck your finger. Do you like a leopard?
Yeah, I do.
Yes, I do. Sheep? Sheep?
Sheep.
Where's the sheep? Where's the sheep? Sheep? Yes. What is this?
Sheep.
What's color of the sheep? What color is it? What color is it? White.
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 Do you like a sheep?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Where is the elephant? Elephant. Okay. What is this? What is it, Jenny?
Elephant.
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 The elephant is big or small?
Small.
No, it's big.
It's big.
Yeah. Do you like an elephant?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Okay. So, Jenny, can you give me giraffe? Giraffe? Yes, very good. Say giraffe. Say, Jenny, sit down in a chair. Jenny, say giraffe. Jenny, say giraffe.
What?
Okay, can you give me elephant? Elephant, yes. What is this?
Elephant.
Again?
Elephant.
Yes. Lion. Lion. Yes, very good. What is this? Lion. Okay, sheep. 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 Yes, very good. What is this? Jenny, what is it? Again, sheep. Okay. Leopard. 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 Yes, very good. What is this? Again. Okay. Goat. Very good. What is this? Again. Goat.
Look.
High five. Fist bump. Handshake. Hey.